In today's video, I am going to teach you how to block all adult websites on Google Chrome and any Windows PC or laptop. Start by opening Google Chrome on your Windows PC or laptop. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, click Settings. A new settings page will open in Chrome. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Privacy and Security and click it. Next, click on Security. After that, scroll down until you reach the Advanced section. In this area, find the option called Use Secure DNS. Make sure the Use Secure DNS toggle is turned on. If it is off, click it to enable it. Once it is enabled, choose the option that says Choose another provider. Then click the drop-down menu to see the available DNS providers. From the list, select Clean Browsing with the Family Filter. This is the option that helps block adult websites and explicit content directly through Chrome's DNS settings. After selecting it, the main setup is complete. To make sure the restriction takes effect properly, restart your browser. Close Google Chrome completely, then open it again. Once Chrome restarts, the safer DNS filter should begin working. That covers everything you need to know.